Hi, hopefully this video will give you a few tips and pointers on how to help your child at home with phonics. One of the first stages in their phonic development is to make sure that the children can hear initial sounds in words. So a great way to start that is by playing I Spy with them a lot at home. Once they can hear the initial sound in a word when you're playing I Spy, that will really help them then to start to recognise some of the letters, the symbols that go alongside those. So in school now, the children will start to learn, this is the order that they learn the first 6 letters in. The reason for that is there are 6 sounds there that can be used and manipulated to form quite a lot of words rather than learning them in alphabetical order. That's the reason they are taught in this order. So the children will start to recognise these sounds and we teach them their letter name as well as the letter sound. So for example, we would say to the children, this is the letter S and it says S. And we would say to them, this is the letter A, that's its name, and it says A. And then we've got, this is the letter T, that's its name, and it says T. T. So it's quite important, particularly at this stage, that when we say the sounds of the letters to children, that they're pronounced correctly. If you're unsure about how to say any of the sounds, there's a video on YouTube called, I'll just check what it's called, Jolly Phonics Letter Sounds video. If you just search for that on YouTube, there's a lady and she says all of the sounds and pronounces the sounds correctly, in case you're unsure of any of that. As soon as the children start to recognise some of these sounds, we'll start to encourage them to pick letters out and to create words with them. So for example, we might do this with them and we would put what we call sound buttons underneath, which you can do at home. And we would say to the children, when we press the sound button, they're going to say the sound. So we would go t, ap, p, tap, and blend those sounds together. So it's really important that the children just really practice. You'll see that the children will bring home what we call a letter ring in their bag, and on that letter ring they will have little cards with the letters that they're working on, and those can be taken off the ring so that they can start to build words with them. And then if you can, encourage them to press underneath, press a button and blend those sounds together. That will really help them.